called radial keratotomy cornea. Can you tell any difference?
It looks beautiful.
Yes?
Yeah, absolutely. Wow.
Any pain at all?
None whatsoever.
And for doctors watching, you see a perfect circle of sight where there was a scarred, irregular reflection. Underneath that, you see a perfect Purkinje image of the premium lens that I had placed for her cataract surgery through this radial keratotomy cornea.
It looks like a normal eye.
Wow.
It's
And
absolutely beautiful.
lovely. Here she is. This amazing. Yeah?
Yay!
Can you see already?
So much. Oh my God.
My pleasure. Can you see our amazing guy here?
Wonderful.
Amazing doctor, amazing patient.
It was not hard. It was
Not
so
hard for you, yeah?
It wasn't hard for me. I'm sure it was hard for Dr. Gulani.
How long do you think was the surgery?
It seemed like 10 minutes. It was amazing.
Any pain?
No,
And you saw immediately.
it was not painful at all. I'm sure it's going to be later. But thank you, Dr. Gulani. Thank you so much.
Absolute pleasure. Doctors, you'll are watching all day as we're doing cases that most doctors write off on. These also are patients which become a huge responsibility for me because I start off by shaking their hands and committing to help them. Patients with radial keratotomy eyes, with scars, very high regular astigmatism. In her case, actually a bulge we call corneal ectasia, both sides. We first did her lensoplastic-based cataract surgery. No stitches, no injections, no needles, right? How was that?
Right.
Both eyes?
Both eyes.
Made her travel back for the second eye, same lensoplastic-based cataract through these RK corneas, and now she's traveled back for her stage 2 laser plastic on both eyes. And I keep sharing them on camera, even though they are unpredictable, to inspire every eye doctor to fight for them. Don't say no. And you can hear from them how they feel right out of surgery. This is right out of surgery. Even though they are unpredictable, how they see and how the freedom is working for them, right?
Right.
Yeah?
It's amazing. Thank you so
Been an honor.
much.
Absolutely
What
honor.
a blessing. Thank
Look
you.
after her. She's been amazing.
I will. She's a gem.
She is. She is.
Gulani Vision. Yes, I do. And proud of it. So proud of
Absolute
it.
pleasure. Come on, this way, please.